was never going to work out between us.
Why not?
Because, Stephen, you have to be the one holding the knife. And I always respected you for it, but I couldn't love you for it.
Memory Lane. Replay your significant memories now at a discounted price. We remember, so you don't forget.
What were we to each other in this universe?
We never quite figured that out.
Look, I know you don't know me.
And I don't want to. Whatever I was to you in your universe does not matter.
I love you. I love you in every universe.